Now, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another segment of intellectual brainstorming and academic excellence. My name is David Oni, and my YouTube channel is David Oniwis. As you now know, this platform is for educational edification and sharing of knowledge that will help to build us, financially and knowledge wise. And a lot of people don't they comment say there has been changes in their lives. This our lectures has been impacting them positively. So we want to use this medium to tell you to always watch our videos because you go gain a lot of things by watching our videos. So I will not take much of your time today. I just wanted to quickly drop one lecture for you, which I believe say will help you. You understand? And if you've been following my lecture, I was talking about fund the last time, where we say I promised to continue from where I actually stopped. I've discussed about basic equity funds, So, and I've also mentioned that I'm going to talk about dollar funds, ALA funds, Euro bond funds, and the rest of them, which is waiting I go do in this lecture. So, just sit back and relax while you enjoy my lecture. So, to just quickly brush us back on what we don't do so that you can catch up with us, you'll not be left behind. I'll quickly, talk about what we mean by mutual fund. Wetin be mutual fund? You understand? Wetin be mutual fund? I will try to mix English with pidgin so that you can be able to grasp wetin we dey talk about in this lecture. So if you dey talk about mutual fund, it is an investment vehicle, shey you get, that allows you as an investor, you wey be investor, to combine your money wey you don make for your pocket, with other investors, seeking a similar investment in wetin you wan do. You understand? So when you pool your resources together with another person, wey bring im own money with your own money, wetin una dey do there na wetin we dey call investment. Shey you get na investment. So when you bring your money and I bring my money, we join it together to become wetin we dey call investment. So it will become wetin we dey call investment outcome. You understand now? And as you dey do this investment, you have a professional manager or a portfolio manager, a certified, qualified, experienced manager that will help to do the needful in regarding to how you want to achieve your financial aims and aspirations. So in most cases, you may need to involve wetin we call a portfolio manager to help you to actually actualize your financial outcome or your financial goals. Now, it is not the portfolio manager that will invest your money in the various instruments that is available under the mutual fund. And if you remember, I talked about equity funds the last time. You understand? I talked about equity funds the last time. So now that portfolio manager that will help you to invest your money, whether you want to invest your money in dollar fund or euro funds or mutual funds or or ALA funds or what we dey call Sharia. You understand? Now that person now go help you to invest your money. Now, to create and manage wetin we dey call your own diversified portfolio, you need a lot of capital. We need wetin we dey call capital. Wetin be that capital? Money. Money is what is all about Benjamins. Money is what is Benjamins. It's all about Benjamins. So when you dey talk about money, you need money to invest in wetin we dey call diversified mutual fund. Do you understand now? And you need what we call a market understanding. A market understanding. Now, wetin we dey talk, if you notice my last lecture, I say some people no know how to invest. But if you no know how to invest, you fit involve your financial portfolio manager to help you to invest. But on the other hand, if you want to invest your money directly, you can also do that. But in most cases, our advice is to invest through a financial portfolio manager. And I'll give you the reasons or the advantages that are accruable when you were to involve a portfolio manager. Now when you invest in mutual fund, you would like to invest in a number of with other investors. You understand now? Other investors. So no be only you that dey invest in that thing, wetin we dey call mutual fund. So this way you do not need to have to be financially, you don't need what to call you don't need what you call or stress yourself psychologically or emotionally in regarding to your money wey you wan invest. Na that financial manager or portfolio manager that will take all the risks for you, and at the end of the day you are guaranteed that you are going to maximize your returns. You are going to maximize your return when you engage a financial portfolio manager. Now mutual funds pay out monthly, quarterly or semi-annually. Wetin do I mean by what? By monthly, quarterly, semi-annually or annually. Wetin we dey talk be say you fit invest your money for a long period of time depending on what you really wanted. Some people dey invest money for maybe 6 months, 9 months, or some people dey invest into their investment for a period of maybe 1 year. Do you understand now? Or 1 year. But the beauty of this thing is that you can invest your money, you fit invest your money as long as you want. Shey you get now? As long as as you want. So mutual funds is meant for people wey dey look for short term, medium term or long time outcome or financial benefit. Wetin I mean by that? If you are looking for short time investment, if you dey look for medium term investment or a long term investment, then mutual fund na im you suppose to go for. Mutual fund. And don't forget that last time I don mention equity based funds. You understand now? Which I quickly talk about equity based funds, because in this topic I'm going to break all of them down so that you can be able to know which one you fit invest your money into. You understand now? So if you are looking for medium, short term or long term investment, then mutual fund na im you suppose to dey use or you suppose to use. Now let us now quickly look at wetin we dey call benefit of mutual funds. If you put your money into mutual fund, wetin be the benefit wey you fit get by putting your money there? You understand? Number one of them is what we call segregation of assets. Wetin I mean by segregation of assets? It means that your investment is managed by an independent custodian. Wetin I mean by independent custodian? By independent custodian, we simply mean that you are giving your money or your financial resources to somebody to diversify your investment system into various diversification. That is wetin I dey talk be say that man na im through the financial advice wey im go give to you, na im go tell you where you wan put your money at the end of the day. Do you understand that now? Then you also have what we call diversification. By diversification, what you mean there is that your investment, you can decide to put it into various investment portfolio. Like I mentioned, basic equity based funds. I mentioned ALA funds or Sharia funds. I mentioned Euro bonds. I mentioned fixed bond. I mentioned so many other ones like that. You understand now? So you can decide which one you want to put your money. Do you get it now? So that is one of the benefits. Then the third one is that you have what we call daily pricing. Through this, you know the value of your assets. What we dey talk be say every day you have a portfolio application that you can be able to check wetin dey enter your money every day. Like me, I dey check my money every day. You understand? That is the beauty of it. So if you want to have a very nice, beautiful, well organized, systematic a well balanced future where you will live to enjoy for the rest of your life, then you need to invest your money so that when you don retire, you have nothing to fear. Me, I dey invest. So me, I want you also to invest your money. Do you get it now? I want you to invest your money. Then it is also affordable. That is another benefit. Mutual funds is very affordable. You can put your money as low as 5,000 naira. You understand now? You can start with 5,000 naira and begin to build it over time, over time. So it does not matter whether you get big money or you have small money. You can put something into it and it will be accepted as low as 5,000 naira. Is that not something that is worth it? Then there's also what we call liquidity. You can, but wetin I mean by liquidity? What it means is that it can be bought and sold at any time. You fit buy am and sell it at any time. Most especially people wey wan invest into what we call equity based funds, people wey wan buy shares. If you are interested in buying shares, you can buy your shares at any time and also sell your shares at any time, at any point in time. And don't forget say I mentioned bamboo, shaka and choke the last time. You can invest through these financial institutions and you can be well guaranteed that you can have your profit at the end of the day. Then you also have wetin we dey call expert management. Expert management. Your financial portfolio manager will advise you on which of the mutual funds wey you want invest your money. Then another one is what we call simplicity. It is very very simple. Then we also have what we call variety. You fit invest your money into anyone wey you want at the end of the day. So whichever one you want at the end of the day is where you fit invest your money. Then there's also flexibility. You understand? So investors are able to subscribe to the fund and also redeem their mutual fund unit at any given time. That's what we mean by flexibility. So the system is very flexible. It is something that maneuvers or change over a period of time. It is not stagnant, it is not rigid, it is not complex, it is not cumbersome, it is not complicated. It is very very simple. It is very very flexible. It has very variety. And don't forget, variety na im be the spice of life. Now I will stop in this lecture because I don't want to rush everybody in this lecture. I don't want to rush everybody because it's going to be in series. So in my next class, I go talk about wetin we dey call types of mutual fund, wetin we dey call stock equity mutual funds, bond or fixed income mutual funds, wetin we dey call money market mutual funds, wetin we dey call multi-asset mutual fund. Then I will now go into the baba of it in my next class. So on this note, if you never subscribe to my channel, please go subscribe now because this channel dey hot. Like I said last year, this year all of us go become millionaires. Whether the day you like am or not, go make our money, become millionaires and billionaires.